Hello kids, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Search and find Christmas fun. Can you find Christmas comes to town? Can you find these things? Mailbox, tambourine. Here is like tambourine is like this. Here it is. It sounds. Red star ornament. Blue sled. Where is blue sled? Rabbit. Car. Church. Drummer. Skier. Snowman. Yes, we found all the things in the town. Christmas in the city. Can you find gingerbread man? Where it is? Gingerbread man. Very small. Purse. Mannequin. Like this. Camera. Nutcracker. Bell. Where is the bell? Like this. Girl. Where is the girl?
I found the perfect Christmas tree. I found the perfect Christmas tree.
Dog. This is the dog and this is car. Where it is? Yes, everything we got in city. Christmas party. Can you find piece of pie? Here it is. Picture frame. Caroler. Where is caroler? Find it, find it. Where it is? Can you find? Can you help me to find caroler? Yes. It's here. Caroler is here.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Angel. Present. Baby. Cupcake. Dog. Where is the dog? Yule log cake. Red stocking. Yes, Christmas party. Up on the rooftop. Can you find these things on the rooftop? Lamp. Where is lamp? Like this. Here it is. Squirrel. Clock. Shovel. Weather vane. Where it is? Weather vane. Can you find weather vane? Oh, where it is? Where is the weather vane? We have to find it. Where goes the weather vane? It's like this. Oh, here it is. It's at the top. Then comes quoity. Where it is? Alf. Cat. Where is the cat? Like this. Where is the cat? Oh my god, it's too small. Sleigh bells. Sleigh bells. Candle. Next comes the night before Christmas. Can you find glass of milk? Tea kettle. Moon. Mouse. Book. Train. Backpack. Where is the backpack? Alarm clock. Blue stocking. And chair. We found all the things. Merry Christmas. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and we come for the next video.